What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I think they have a really good potential either for a flip or actually to keep them for a long term. But before I'm going to show you the projects, I just have to say something real quick. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into NFT projects or cryptocurrency projects. And one more thing, if you can follow me on my Twitter, I would really appreciate. And also previously I made a video about free mint NFT projects and I talked about this Homo game, one of the projects, and I was able to get a whitelist spot, and this is a pretty high project. It's already minted and I'm going to show you OpenSea, and as you can see, even right now, it's almost a week later, they still going for 0.0777 Ethereum. And if we're going to open it up, as you can see, this is $92. If you had a chance to actually get a whitelist spot for this mint, you could have made this money. And actually, I think I sold mine for almost 9%. And I think the highest on scene, it was almost 20%. It was right when they start selling. But for free mint, it's still worth to actually grind because you can still make money with free mint. So the first project that I'm going to be talking about, it's called Erth free mint. As you can see, this looks like metaverse project. They have their link tree. This is free mint, and if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent interaction on their Twitter post, and I think it's not very hard still to get a whitelist spot. They're not minting yet, but I think they're going to be minting pretty soon. And if we go to their website, as you can see right here, this is their homepage. This looks like it's going to be a metaverse. As you can see, you can apply to the allow list. So if you press that, new page is going to appear, and right here you're just going to have to press on count me in, and then there's a couple of things you just have to fill out: your ETH wallet, and I think there's like Twitter account, Discord, maybe a few more questions, and then you're going to be entered into Raffle, and hopefully you can get yourself a whitelist spot for this free mint. Second one is called FAEBL, and at the time of recording this video they have 34,000 followers, and this is another free mint. And as you can see, they're getting quite a bit of interaction on their Twitter post, and if we scroll down, as you can see, more Twitter posts getting decent interaction. So then if we go to their website, it's this one right here, made pretty cool. There's a couple things on the left hand side: story, fighters, mint, team, and frequently asked questions. Or you can press on marathon, click to apply. The new page is gonna appear, and then you can click to apply, and then right here there's 4 different options how you can get yourself a whitelist spot. So one of them, you can donate 0.07, so basically to buy yourself a whitelist spot and hope that this is gonna go higher than this so you can make money. Then there's also another way, it's to put some effort, then merit, and then lottery. And the lottery is a free one, and then project collab, but this is already closed. So this is another really good project to get a whitelist spot because I think it has a huge potential. And then the last project, it's called mech.com or match.com. So this is free mint. This is already existing project. I think this is just going to be another NFT. Mech bot, free mint. It's going to be 10,000 bots. And as you can see, they're getting again decent interaction on their Twitter post. So I think this one also a good project to actually try to get a whitelist spot. And if we go to their website, and as you can see, you can find quite a bit of information here. They have Twitter, Discord, and then Telegram. And then you can scroll down and find more information about this specific project. I'm not really going to go into details, but I'm going to show you what you can do. You can press on get my free bot, and what you just have to do to get your free mint or get a bot list role in Discord. This is basically the same thing, whitelist spot role. You just have to do a couple things. You just have to invite 3 people, and once you do that, then you're gonna go to bot command channel on their Discord and just type one of the command invites. If you actually gonna invite 3 people, you're gonna be automatically assigned whitelist role, or it's gonna call the bot list. I'm not sure exactly when it's gonna stop or when it's gonna cap, but I would recommend everybody just post on Twitter or ask maybe your friends or somebody else to actually join That way you can get yourself a whitelist spot for this free mint, because I think this mint is actually gonna do well. If we're gonna open up their previous collection, as you can see, this was one of their first one last year, almost 10,000 collection as well, and their floor price is 0.15%. Not exactly sure how much the other one is going to be selling since it's a free mint, but I think it has a good potential for either flip, or if you actually gonna like the game, keep it and maybe play the game. And that's all I got for you guys. This is 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I'm trying to get a whitelist spot for all 3 of them. And all the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.